Dave English Podcast. Subscribe, like, comment, share.
Hey, can I ask you something? You watch English videos. You listen to English every day. You understand a lot. But when someone talks to you in English, your mind goes blank. The words are there somewhere, but they just do not come out fast enough. Does that sound familiar? You are not alone. This is one of the most common problems for English learners. And today, we are going to fix it. Not with grammar rules, not with a textbook. We are going to train your brain to think in English and speak faster. Welcome to Dave English Podcast. I am Dave, and this channel is for people just like you. People who want to speak English with confidence, step by step, in a calm and simple way. Today's episode is called Train Your Brain to Speak English. And by the end of this video, you are going to understand exactly why speaking feels hard and what you can do about it every single day. So let us get started. Before we go any further, if you are new here, welcome to the family. This channel is completely free. Everything we do here is for you. So if you find this helpful, please subscribe. It takes 1 second, and it helps this channel grow so we can keep making videos like this one for you. Thank you so much. Now, let us talk about the real reasons speaking English feels so hard. When you want to say something in English, what do you do first? Most learners do this. They think of the idea in their first language. Then they translate it into English in their head. Then they try to say it. That is 3 steps, and all of that happens in just a few seconds. No wonder it feels slow. No wonder the words do not come out fast enough. So what is the answer? The answer is to cut out the middle step. Stop translating. Start thinking directly in English. Now, I know what you are thinking. Dave, that sounds impossible. I have been thinking in my language my whole life. I understand. But here is the good news. You do not have to think in full perfect sentences right away. You just have to start small. Here is the first thing you can do. Think in single words and short phrases. When you wake up in the morning, do not say a long sentence. Just think one word. Tired, hungry, coffee, happy, sunny. That is it. Just one word. You are already thinking in English. Then after a few days, you add a little more. Not just tired. You think, I am so tired today. Not just coffee. You think, I need coffee right now. Short, simple, real. That is how your brain starts to build the habit. This is important. Your brain learns by doing things over and over. Every time you think a simple thought in English, you are training your brain. You are building a new pathway, and every day it gets a little easier. Think of it like going to the gym. The first day is hard. Your muscles are not ready. But if you go every day, even for just 10 minutes, you get stronger. Speaking English is exactly the same. Your brain is the muscle, and thinking in English is your daily workout. Now let us talk about something that might surprise you. One of the best ways to practice speaking English is to talk to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself. I am serious. This is not strange. This is actually one of the most powerful tools you have. And you can do it anytime, anywhere, for free. Here is how it works. As you go through your day, describe what you are doing out loud or in your head. Just use simple sentences. I am making breakfast. I am drinking coffee. I am getting dressed. I am walking to the bus stop. Simple, right? But here is why it works. When you narrate your life in English, you are connecting English words to real actions and real feelings. Not to a page in a book, not to a grammar rule, to your actual life, and that is what makes it stick. You can also use this when you are alone, at home, in the car, in the shower. Just talk. Talk about what you see. Talk about what you are thinking. It does not have to be perfect. It just has to happen. When you make a mistake, that is fine. Keep going. The goal right now is not perfection. The goal is flow. Getting the words out. Getting comfortable with the sound of English coming from your own mouth. The next thing I want to talk about is practicing real-life situations. Here is something very effective. Think of the situations that happen in your life every day. Ordering coffee, introducing yourself, asking for directions, talking about your job. These situations happen all the time. And if you practice them in English ahead of time, your brain is ready when the moment comes. Let me give you an example. Imagine you go to a coffee shop. You already know what you want. A medium coffee with milk. So tonight, before you go to sleep, practice that moment. Say it out loud. Hello, can I have a medium coffee with milk, please? Thank you. Say it 5 times. Say it slowly. Then say it a little faster. Feel comfortable with those words. So when the real moment comes, your brain does not panic. It just plays back what you already practiced. This is how athletes train. They practice the same moves over and over. So when they are in the game, their body just knows what to do. You are doing the same thing with your mouth and your brain. The more situations you practice, the more ready you feel. And the more ready you feel, the more confident you become. And confidence is everything when it comes to speaking. Now I want to do a little practice with you. We are going to run through 3 simple situations. Just follow along. Think about what you would say, and try saying it out loud if you can. Ready? Let us go. Situation 1. Your morning routine. Imagine you wake up. It is morning. You have to go to work. Think about what you do first. Try to say it in English. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I make breakfast. Then I get dressed and go to work. See how simple that is. Short sentences. Real actions. Try saying your own morning routine right now. Just a few sentences. Do not worry about being perfect. Think about it. Good. Now situation 2. Ordering food. You are at a restaurant. The server comes to your table and says, "What can I get for you today?" What do you say? Try something like this. Hello, can I have the pasta, please? And a glass of water. Thank you. Simple. Natural. Polite. Practice that. Change the food if you want, but practice that pattern. Hello, can I have blank, please? And blank. Thank you. Think about it. Great job. Now situation 3. Introducing yourself. Someone walks up to you and says, "Hi, nice to meet you. Tell me a little about yourself." What do you say? Try this. "Hi, my name is blank. I am from blank. I work as a blank. In my free time, I like to blank. Nice to meet you. Fill in your own information. Practice it. Say it out loud. It will feel a little strange at first. That is normal. Say it anyway. Think about it. You just practiced 3 real-life situations. That is real progress. Every time you do that, your brain gets a little more ready. Now I have a few questions for you, and I really want to hear your answers. Leave them in the comments below. I read every single comment. Question 1. Which part of speaking English is hardest for you right now? Is it finding the words fast enough? Is it feeling nervous? Or is it something else? Question 2. Do you ever talk to yourself in English? Have you tried it before? Tell me about it. And question 3. What is one simple English sentence you can say every morning to start your day? Write it in the comments. Something like, "Today is going to be a great day," or "I am ready to practice English today. I cannot wait to read what you write." All right, we are almost at the end of today's episode. Let me leave you with something important. You are not going to become a fluent English speaker overnight, and that is okay. No one does. But every single day that you practice, even for 5 minutes, you are making progress. Real progress. Progress that adds up. Think in English for 1 minute in the morning. Talk to yourself while you make lunch. Practice one short situation before bed. That is it. That is your daily English workout. Do it today. Do it tomorrow. Do it the day after. And one day, not too far from now, you are going to be in a real conversation in English, and the words are going to come out. Not perfectly, but they will come, and that moment is going to feel amazing. I believe in you. I really do. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to Dave English Podcast. We post new videos every week, all designed to help you speak English with more confidence, step by step, at your own pace. And if you have a friend who is learning English, share this video with them. Let us help each other grow. This is Dave. Thank you so much for being here. Keep practicing, keep going, and I will see you in the next one.
Dave English Podcast. Subscribe, like, comment, share.